In this video, we will learn how to annotate any PDF document with comments, highlight, add texts, evaluate the content, etc. with Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is available for absolutely free. Welcome to another video from softechonline. If you liked this video, give a like, comment, and consider subscribing to our channel, to watch more such tricks and tips related to computers and mobiles. Open browser and search for Acrobat Reader. Click on the first link. By default, Acrobat Reader will be downloaded along with McAfee security components. If you are already having other security software installed, you can uncheck these additional components. And click on Download to start downloading setup file. Open the downloaded setup file to start installation of Acrobat Reader. Click on Finish once done. Open the Acrobat Reader to start annotating on PDF files. The comment toolbar with several options will be displayed at the top. Add comments to any part of the PDF file. Highlighting any part of the PDF document. Underlining. Add strikeout. Add additional texts. Add handwriting. Add stamping. Fill and sign tool. This is useful when you need to evaluate some documents like answer sheets, etc. Once done, click on Save icon to save your PDF file with all the annotations. You will find all the activity history here. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos.